Advtech is a diversified education, training and placement group. Market cap here, we're sitting at 9.1 billion rand. Price to earnings ratio a little more reasonable than Curro at 27. Dividend yield of 1.8%.
Interesting. So the older of the two players in our local market, at some point Curro and Advtech looked at a possible merger. That didn't quite come off. So they've sort of reset themselves. They had a bit of a management wobble in the middle of all of that. But they also have an excellent footprint
and an excellent looking share price graph.
Now, if you go back longer, you know, the share price has gone sideways for a little bit. It's been around longer than Curro. It's only quite recently that they're truly moving into schools. They were more tertiary diploma courses, sort of post-matric type of education.
Rosebank College, Vega,
perhaps
those kind of places.
The competition put forward by Curro actually put some fire
Curro tried to take them out, and they weren't so happy about this, and they obviously decided to shake up their act. Look, as we spoke about, massive room to expand here, but this is going to be the new listings boom of these private education groups, because the market's gotten onto it and investors have gotten onto this. So stay with these companies for a while. I think you'll do well for a long time still, but at some stage, surprising enough, the share market in these particular schools is going to become crowded. But that's still a long way off.
It's still a long way off, and we can capitalize on two existing
we've seen
companies.
These listing booms come and go. So you get construction, then you get IT companies, and then you see property holders.
But isn't this the time to talk to the history? Those that are established to have a track record.
That is true. In other words, they will be the sort of market leaders, and then you'll get all these others coming on their coattails. Currently, they're getting dressed up for the big main act, and private equity shareholders are coming on board and so on. But I think Advtech will continue to expand.
And there's still a long way to go before the space gets crowded.
And Roy
how
Douglas,
about if I put this to you? If you tell me about the CEO.
Well, remember they had Frank Thompson, who then retired, and then there was a acting CEO, forgotten his name. Yes, Leslie Marstorp came in, and then he stepped down quite quickly. Roy Douglas is an internal appointment, so that seems to be systems.
If you could only invest in one education stock, and it was to be either Advtech or Curro, what would you go for right now?
To be honest, I'll go for Curro.
Would you? Paul?
Yeah, look, it's interesting because they've sort of caught up. I think I'd also go for Curro. That's why we own them in our portfolio. I think it's larger, and I think it's got a bigger momentum, and I think it's got to set its sails a little bit more aggressively.
And the PE unwinds quickly at their earnings growth rates.
Well, that would be my concern. But hot or not? On the Advtech now.
Hot.
Hot on this one too, so if you own it, well done.